In today's video, I'll teach you how to convert WhatsApp chat to PDF. So first of all, launch open WhatsApp application. You can see over here WhatsApp application has been opened. Tap on the conversation that you would like to convert to PDF. Now once you do that, that particular chat will be open. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is tap on the more option that you can see at the last. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At second, you'll be able to find this option for export chat. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to select if you want to include the media or not. If you include the media, it will increase the size of the chat export. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I've selected the option for without media. Now what you have to do is simply tap on any platform of your choice. The easiest option would be simply tapping on this option, Gmail. Now once you do that, you can simply send this email to yourself, or you can also simply save it in the draft. Now once you do that, you can see over here that particular email will be saved. Along with that, your PDF will also be saved. So you can simply tap on the download icon in order to download it, extract it, and you'll be able to view it as the PDF. So that is how you convert WhatsApp messages to PDF. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.